Communicate honestly and often. Don't expect your partner to read your mind. Share your thoughts, needs, and feelings clearly. Listen without interrupting or judging. Heart. Respect each other's differences. You won't always agree, and that's okay. Accepting and respecting each other's individuality strengthens the bond. Forgive and let go. Mistakes will happen. Forgiveness isn't forgetting, it's choosing peace over resentment. Learn, grow, and move forward. 4. Choose kindness over being right. In a heated moment, being kind can mean more than proving a point. Your tone matters more than your words. 5. Be a team. It's not me versus you. It's us versus the problem. Support each other in challenges, decisions, and dreams. 6. Make time for each other. Quality time matters more than quantity. Put down your phone, look into their eyes, and just be present. 7. Set healthy boundaries. Boundaries protect your relationship, not weaken it. Know when to say no and respect each other's space and limits. 8. Grow together, not apart. A strong relationship is two people growing individually and as a couple. Celebrate each other's progress. 9. Don't stop dating each other. Keep the romance alive. Surprise them. Compliment them. Laugh together. Flirt like it's day one. 10. Love is a daily choice. It's not always butterflies. Some days, love is choosing patience, effort, and loyalty. Even when it's hard,